Galaxy S25 Ultra, what it takes to beat the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The new Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max has already set a high benchmark in terms of best phones, and to regain the position, the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra from Samsung requires some major updates to beat the iPhone 16 Pro Max in terms of features and performance. A brighter screen is what the Galaxy S25 Ultra needs to outshine the iPhone 16 Pro Max, whose flagship sports a display with a whopping 6.9-inch screen size and features 1,553 nits peak brightness, very high. Samsung can up to or even beyond that by utilizing new technologies like OLED or micro LED, dynamic brightness adjustment, and optimized refresh rates for its screens. Brighter screen will make it viewable outside. It will also be better in color accuracy and contrast. If Galaxy S25 Ultra has to outsell the iPhone 16 Pro Max, then it needs a faster and more power-efficient chip. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is set to be powering the device. It should be optimized in terms of performance and efficiency of power use, increased multi-threading performance, as well as fast storage memory ability by Samsung. This way, the users will be able to launch and switch between apps and graphics. Samsung can match the 4K 120 frame per second video recording of Apple and further enhance it with AI creative frames for capturing motion at lower speeds. Advanced video stabilization and improved low-light video recording take the feature to a whole new level. This will give videographers the option of more detailed, smoother video recordings, provide more creative control over videography, and help in better creation of social media content. It can enable features such as audio mix and utilize an external microphone. There will be improvements in noise reduction and cancellation, along with customized audio settings on the S25 Ultra. This feature enhances audio quality for videographers and content creators, provides more flexibility for recording scenarios, and improves the overall audio experience.